Wonders! Today, pupunta tayo sa Elephant Sanctuary. Magpapaligo tayo ng mga elephants. So, yung OOTD natin for today, yung mga nabili natin dito sa Bangkok, sa Chatuchak. Yung aking linen top, yung cotton shorts na white, and then white slippers na dala ko pa from the Philippines. Tapos, naka one piece bathing suit tayo. May baon din tayong pangligong shorts, and yung bag, yung dumpling bag from Uniqlo. Si Nico pala, ayun, suot niya na yung magiging pangligo naming shorts. Yung white tie shorts. Ayan. So, nagdala lang kami ng extrang damit. Let's go! Wonders! Dahil sobrang aga natin today, wala pa yung tuk-tuk service natin. So, mag-morning walk na lang tayo from our hotel go to the BTS. Malamig pa naman, so okay pang maglakad-lakad.
Bali yung pupuntahan natin is sa may Chonburi area. Parang south of Bangkok siya. Mga 1 hour away.
So yun, lakad muna tayo papunta doon. Let's go!
A few moments later.
Wonders, nandito na tayo sa bus station kung saan yung meet up nung tour. Hinahanap lang ni Nico kung nasaan yung van.
Wonders, nakasakay na tayo dito sa ating van. I think 6 lang kami kaya. Punta na tayo sa Elephant Sanctuary.
Wonders, after an hour and a half drive from Bangkok, from the city, nandito na tayo sa
Living Green Elephant Sanctuary.
Living Green.
Just then.
Elephant uniform t-shirt for us to change, okay? And also for our activity. We're going to feeding them, walk with them. After that, the last activity, we will take them to the pool in the water. Because during this time, it's very hot. Elephant go to the pool. If those people you like to enjoy with them in the water, you can change in your swimming suit or your short pant right now. And you this our t-shirt cover on like this, okay? And because when we finish from over there, directly go to the water. Then for us, we will come back and shower over here. We have a shower room for you. That means your belonging, your backpack, you put it solely here. Okay?
Binigyan nila kami ng pampalit na vest. And kung gusto nyo na daw maglagay ng sunscreen or magpalit ng pang swimming or pang basa kasi may mga activities tayo. And paliliguan natin yung elephants, magpalit na. So magpapalit na ako para comfortable tayo. So, yeah, let's go!
Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Great, but very hot, sir, the weather. Okay, so I would like to say welcome everybody to Living Green Elephant Sanctuary and Foundation. Before we go and have activity, I would like to explain you how should we behave and what are we doing for elephant, why we have the sanctuary over here. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself and my friend first. My name is Adam. A-D-A-M. Adam. Okay. In Thailand, we like to use Adam. Okay, you can say Adam or Adam after you. Okay, so we have another guy. Okay, both of us we will take care of you. Okay, hello, Sawadika. My name is Lulu. L-U.
Adam saka si Lulu. Bali kanina pala, parang nagbigay mo ng briefing si Adam saka si Lulu. Tapos kinuwento nila yung history ng elephant sa Thailand.
Yeah. Most ng elephants here sa sanctuary nila are rescued elephants.
Rescued elephants. So, mga galing sa circus, yung mga dating elephant taxi. So, sabi niya, may mga elephant daw na domesticated na ginagawang elephant taxi yung sinasakyan. Tapos yung iba yung tinuturuan ng tricks. Yung nagbabalance, yung nagluluto.
Yung nagaganon-ganon sila. So, all their life, parang ang alam lang nilang gawin pag nakakasalamuha sila ng tao. Yung gumaganon-ganon, parang nilang inaaliw yung mga tao.
Parang ina-entertain nila yung mga tao. Which is legal naman daw, kaya lang parang nakakaawa din yung mga elephants. Kasi hindi naman nila naturally ginagawa yun.
Yes.
So yun siguro yung maganda sa sanctuary na to. Kasi talagang love nila yung mga elephants. So hindi sila nagpapasakay ng elephants. Hindi nila tinuturuan ng mga tricks.
Yeah, you can just pet them or pat them. Sa mga areas na pwede lang, you can touch them on their trunk, on their face, pero sa body onte, but never on the bum. And the, parang sa legs, ayaw nila kasi sisipain ka daw nila. So, huwag nyo yung gagawin on their
So parang yung activities lang na gagawin natin dito is pakain sila,
and
playtime.
Playtime, paliguan.
Yan.
Yeah.
Yan. Makita nyo wala rin mga fences dito, masyado yung mga, yung mga elephants. So free sila to roam around the area.
Yes.
Which is good. Parang natural habitat nila.
Mm-mm.
So yun nga, yung mga elephants daw dito galing mga circus tsaka dating elephant taxi. So, parang rescued sila.
Kawawa. Buti na lang meron ng mga ganito dito. Pero sa Chiang Mai, marami pa rin daw yung mga ganun. No? So here in Bangkok, sa Chonburi area, ayan, merong isang ganitong elephant sanctuary that you can visit if you want to see them and, experience a day with them.
Tara, pakain na tayo ng elephants. Kuha na raw muna tayo ng food pampakain sa elephant.
Sugarcane pala yung papakain natin sa kanila wanderers.
Ayan. So 1 bag each.
Thank you!
So yan yung laman niya. Medyo madami kaya medyo mabigat. Sabi kasi ni Adam, elephants daw, no food, no friend. No money, no honey. Yan, dito muna tayo.
Wanderers, magpipigil tayo ng ating friendly elephants. Eat muna yan. Hiniipon nila sa trunk nila eh.
Ito daw si Tommy. Yan, siya daw yung pregnant. So pakainin natin siya para sa kanyang baby. Nasa around 22 months daw yung pregnancy ng mga elephant. So medyo matagal. Laki niya. Pakainin natin siya. So pwede mo raw silang hawakan sa may trunk. Gusto raw nila yon. Sa face pwede rin. Wag lang sa backside. Kain ka na kasi pregnant ka. Due date niya na raw next month. Bigyan pa natin siyang food.
Everybody slowly take turn, huh? We still have a lot of time for you.
Gutom siya.
Pwede natin siyang hawakan.
Alam niya na maraming nagbibigay sa akin.
Hold like this. Good.
Good.
Can you see the sun in the mouth? Okay. You must hold.
Sorry.
Yeah, you must hold like that. Okay. Okay.
So yung mga elephants daw na to, maliliit daw yung tusk nila kasi mga female. So pag male yun daw yung mga malalaking tusk. Yan, short lang yung tusk nila.
Gusto nila yung sugarcane. Very friendly sila, guys.
Few inches later.
Next activity natin is
Walking them.
walking with the elephants papuntang mountain. Naglalakad na kami. Ayun si Tami sa likod. Siya yung
Tami ba
pregnant.
yun?
Ay, hindi ba siya yun? Ito pala si Tami sa harap. Yung
Yung
malaki.
malaking tummy.
Much later.
Kapaligo na raw kami ng elephant. Oh, parang gusto nilang mag-swimming kasi ang init eh.
Okay, you see, when you help them, you will come down, huh?
He doesn't want to go out of the water. Sarap na sarap sila sa paliligo, Wanderers. So, bye-bye! Thank you! I think, Wanderers, yun na yung activity natin. Tapos magla-lunch na lang tayo. So, first you get to feed them and then you get to walk with them. And afterwards, maligo ka kasama sila. Sobrang gentle nila. Actually, they are my favorite animal. They are my spirit animal. Sabi ko kay Nico, nung nagkakilala kami. Bukod sa penguin, I think, ang elepante. Kasi they are gentle giants. I'm not a giant, but I'm not a gentle too. But they're my spirit animal. Kasi traveling, sila, diba? Traveling animals. So, yeah.
Parang sobrang parang hindi ko alam. Parang soulful sila.
Oo. Yes. Yes. Parang ang bait-bait. Feeling ko kahit yung mga nasa wild, if hahawakan mo lang sila ng maayos or hindi ka naman bad sa kanila, hindi naman sila mananakit. I think they are the most gentle animal in the world. Just for me, ha?
Masaya rin na merong ganitong sanctuary for them.
Yes.
Na ethical and talagang nagkikare yung mga yung mga crew, yung mga staff nagkikare sa kanila. Sabi nila parang 1:1 daw yung alaga nila sa elephant.
Oo. Ang galing, no? Buti na lang nagkaroon sila ng ganito. Kasi ayaw namin sanang i-support yung mga sumasakay sa ante or tinitrain sila for circus. It's parang ang sakit sa puso. Ayoko yun. I'm an animal lover, an animal advocate, and I don't want that. So, ito yung pinili namin to have an encounter with them.
Ethical tsaka safe for the animals. So after ng mga activities, meron naman dito restroom and shower area. So kung gusto nyo maligo after nung bathing with the elephants. And then meron ding free snacks and water.
Pa-lunch sila, Wanderers. Meron silang pa-lunch na pad thai and watermelon. And also free yung cold water. Kain muna tayo. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for
And
watching.
kung nag-enjoy kayo,
Please do subscribe to our channel.
hit us a thumbs up
And hit that bell for more of our adventures.
and misadventures as we discover.
And Wander Bangkok. Say goodbye to our gentle giant.